Hope all of you are fine. Children, today we are going to learn to draw the two birds given here. Now there is a saying, written, birds of a kind flock together, but the actual saying is, proverb is, birds of a feather flock together. That is, same type of birds, they stay together. So here we have two types of birds. We are going to learn to color them. These are the outlines given by in the book. So we will be using these outlines and we will draw the birds and color them as it's given here. Children, let us start with the first bird. Okay, this bird. So the outline has been given here. Based on these outline, we are going to complete the drawing. So let us first start with the head of the bird. The head of the bird, for that you need to first draw the eye. Let us draw the eye first and this portion. Okay, next is the beak. We'll draw the beak, one V, two V sort of things. Okay, so it looks almost like V. So this is the beak. Now next is the wings. We have to draw the wings of the wings. This is the wing of the bird, this is the body of the bird, and this is the tail of the bird. So let us draw the wing. For drawing the wings, we will draw it. We'll draw it like this. Okay, up to this portion, and we will join this with this one. Once this is done, let us move back to the tail. Let us complete the tail. This is the tail of the bird. We are going to complete it. We have to first draw it and then. Okay. So this is done. Now we have the legs of the bird, the toes of the birds. We'll draw the toes of the birds. For the toes of the birds, we will be drawing it like this. We'll make it sit on the twig. We'll draw the twigs, we'll draw the toes, and then we'll make it sit on a branch. Okay. Let me draw the toe properly. So this is how you have to draw. Now let us start coloring. For this we are going to use, the body is green in color, you'll color it. While you're coloring, you have to be very careful that you color it completely and neatly in one direction. See how I am coloring it? You will use a pencil color for coloring. Done. Okay, we've missed out one thing in the beak. There's in the wings. There's a pattern in the wings. We have to draw the pattern also. This pattern is there. We have drawn the pattern and we'll color the pattern later on. But let us color the wings first. The wings are red in color, so we'll color the wings. Then we have to color the pattern also. Finally we have the tail. The tail is magenta in color. Look at the way I am coloring the tail. Top, up, down, up and down in almost slanted lines. Okay. So this is over. Once it is over, you're going to outline it with a black pen, gel pen, or your black marker. I don't have a black sketch pen, so children, I am using this sketch pen. You're going to draw the outline of the bird once again, like this. Okay. This is for the leaves. We have missed out one more thing. That is the toes of the bird. We will draw it. Okay, the toes of the bird we will be drawing and we'll be coloring it also. Just wait. Let us first finish this. So the wing is over. Now the toes, we missed out the toes, so let us draw the toes and color the toes with yellow color. So here we have it is yellow in color. The beak is is red in color. Let us color the beak with red color. So the bird is complete. You'll draw a same bird on for this figure also. You will extend the tail, complete the body, and then draw the pattern on it and color it. That's all, children. Now we shall try to draw this bird. Okay, now look at this bird. This bird is not looking in front like this bird. It's looking back. So we can see how the beak has to be adjusted if its head is turned. So we are going to see this, and we're going to draw it here. So to start with it, this outline has already been given in your book for 2 more birds. So let us start with this bird, and we will first start with the beak. Let us start with the beak. Okay, the beak has to be drawn again like that. Okay, this way it should touch. This portion is touching the neck, but it's actually not touching, since it is looking back. So it appears as if the beak is touching this portion. Now the next thing to draw is the eye of the bird. So here we go with the eye. We can color the eye later on with black, but I am doing it with my pencil itself. Now after this, we will draw the wing of the bird. The wing of the bird. The wing has a pattern again. There is one straight line you can put on it like this. The wing is having a pattern. Now we will proceed to the tail of the bird. The tail of the bird, only part of it has been given, so we will extend this further. This line, we'll take this line further down, and this one also will also come slightly down. Now here we give a wavy look. This way, and this way. It's done. Another line. Another line following the same wave. Okay, so this completes the tail. Now we have to draw the claws. You can see the claws in this. So we will start. One is here. We'll draw it like this. Two, three, and then you just bend it like this. Then the other one, this side, it's holding the twig, holding the branch. Spread them out. So here, this way, turn it, and then join the 3 join from the bottom as well. So this completes the drawing. Now let us color. The body of the bird is blue in color. What blue is this? This is light blue in color. So we'll start coloring from here. Now you can see that the whole bird is actually blue in color. Here we have seen that there are 2 colors. The wings are of a completely different color, but in this bird we are going to color it with the same color as that for the body. So let us start. You have to color this. Slowly we will move down. Now your strokes should not be too long, too big. You should do little at a time, and you can go back and mix the color also so that no white space is left out. This is done. Now come to the here the wings also had to be colored, but in slightly different way, so that it gives a curved look. It gives a curved look to the wings. Okay, now the tail. Now we will use, for the wings, we are going to use this for the pattern purple color. This portion is also purple in color. You have to do it carefully. Okay, once that is done, we will be outlining it. Sorry, we missed out the beak. The beak is red in color. Let us finish coloring the beak also. The beak is... Okay, this is done. Now after doing this, you will outline it. Outline with your black sketch pen or your black gel pen. You can take a gel pen, black gel pen, or a black sketch pen. This outlining makes your drawing look more beautiful. So we will outline, always outline it. We missed here, children, we missed out the toes. Okay, that outline the toes also. Here the toes are white, so we are not going to color it anymore. We just draw it and leave it like that. So this is how, just a minute. This is how the bird has to look once it is done. Now children, you can just convert these to make the birds sit on the twigs. You can draw some. You can just draw a green or a brown branch of a tree, of a small tree, and then you can draw some leaves also to make the thing look more beautiful. Suppose this is there, and we can draw some leaves and make it look more natural. So this is how you are going to do it. And once you finish drawing in this, children, you will color it. You will color it also like this. You'll finish this one also. And once everything is okay, you can draw both the birds in your drawing copy also. That's all for the day. Thank you, children.